this video, I'll show you how to mix 808 bass and a kick. Please don't skip, you miss the important part. Let's start. I have a sample that already has a bass in it, so I'll cut it and leave the mids. I'll cut out the lows from the sample so we can hear the bass and kick more clearly. Already so much clear now. Let's add distortion to the kick to make it hit harder. Set it to soft and the drive depends on your kick. I'll set it to 19, it working best for this kick. Now the kick is harder than before. Now, the most important step is adding automation to the bass and the kick. Watch how I do. Make an automation clip and add it to the every kick. Automation clip depends on your kick. This kick is longer, so the release time is longer. The automation will fade the bass when the kick hits, so it will make the kick clearer. Set it to low shelf so it'll start working. Mixing is done. Let's compare it again.